Hello friends, this is Sujata, Associate Professor working at Government College for Women Kolar. This presentation is on Chemistry Paper 5 Organic for the benefit of 5th SEM BSc students belonging to Bengaluru North University, and this is the concluding session 27 of the topic Chemistry of Natural Products, and the subtitle is Alkaloids. Objectives of this session is to understand the structural elucidation of nicotine, its synthesis from succinimide, structures and uses of some of the important alkaloids such as ephedrine, caffeine, cocaine, atropine, quinine and morphine. So, under the chapter on heterocyclic compounds, we have seen how heterocyclic compounds are classified as 5-membered, 6-membered and fused heterocyclic rings. Here the alkaloids are also made up of fused heterocyclic rings such as quinone ring and isoquinoline rings, and we can also understand the process of reduction and cyclization while understanding the structural elucidation of nicotine. So in this session you are going to understand the facts involved in the elucidation of nicotine, structure of nicotine, and also its synthesis from succinimide, structures and uses of these alkaloids. Coming to the structural elucidation of nicotine, elemental analysis and molecular weight determination on nicotine showed that its molecular formula is C10, H14 and N. When it is subjected to oxidation with chromic oxide, it gives nicotinic acid having the formula C5H4NCOOH. Formation of nicotinic acid indicates the presence of pyridine ring having the side chain at C3 position. Nicotine produces an addition product with zinc chloride, which upon heating with lime gives pyridine, pyrrole and methylamine. This indicates that the side chain is C5H10N and it is pyrrole derivative. Nicotine when heated with concentrated HCl gives methyl iodide, which shows that methyl group is attached to N atom. Therefore, it appears that the side chain could be N-methyl pyrrolidine. Nicotine when heated with the HI and methyl iodide forms N-isomethylmethionide. This upon oxidation with the potassium ferricyanide and further oxidation with chromic oxide gives hygrinic acid. This shows that the side chain is attached at C2 positions. So, the above facts can be depicted in this picture. Nicotine on oxidation gives nicotinic acid showing the presence of pyridine ring. Its reaction with HI and methyl iodide forms a methiodide salt, which on successive oxidation in presence of potassium ferricyanide and chromic oxide gives hygrinic acid that shows the presence of side chain. This side chain at C2 is linked to the pyridine ring at C3. Therefore, the structure of nicotine is it contains two cyclic systems, that is pyridine as well as the pyrrole ring. Now coming to the steps involved in the synthesis of nicotine from succinimide. The first step, succinimide is subjected to electrolytic reduction to give 2-pyrrolidone. This, upon treatment with dimethyl sulfate, gives N-methyl-2-pyrrolidone. This adds on a molecule of ethyl nicotinate in presence of sodium ethoxide to give a product which upon heating with HCl forms a beta ketonic acid. Further, this is subjected to decarboxylation to get this intermediate, which is reduced further to get an alcohol. This, upon treatment with hydrogen iodide, forms iodide derivative, which on heating with the sodium hydroxide forms nicotine. Here are the structures and uses of some of the important alkaloids. First being ephedrine. Here is the structure, and it is mydriatic in action. It is used as a heart stimulant, used in the treatment of hay fever, bronchial asthma, and so on. Caffeine, as all of us, is addictive in nature. It is used as diuretic in the form of citrate, and this is the structure of caffeine. Quinine, as all of us know, it is used as antimalarial drug as well as antipyretic drug. It also used in curing the cramps, influenza, fever, and common cold. And here is the structure, and as we noticed, the main component heterocyclic ring is quinoline ring. Next we have morphine, which has the addictive property, and it is used as an analgesic agent. Now we have the atropine, which is used to dilate pupil of eye. It is also used to relieve spasmodic pains and to reduce saliva secretion, and here is the structure of atropine. So in this session we understood the facts involved in the structural elucidation of nicotine and how it is synthesized from succinimide, and also towards the end we have seen the structures and uses of some of the important alkaloids. Now here we have some of the multiple choice questions. Molecular formula of nicotine is, so among these the right answer is A, but one error has occurred, printing error, I'm sorry for it. It is C10H14N. Please make the correction. It is not N2, it is C10H14N. Second question. Nicotine on oxidation with chromic acid gives nicotinic acid. This indicates the presence of pyridine ring. Quinone, as all of us know, is used as antiseptic, antibacterial, antimalarial, antibiotic. The right answer is it is an antimalarial drug. Which among the following is used to dilate the pupil of eye? It is atropine. Last question. Ephedrine is used in the treatment of hay fever, heart stimulant, and as well as it is used in the treatment of bronchial asthma. Hence the right answer is all the above. Thank you for your observation.